All right, so VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. What do we have? Active file and status bar.
Yeah, so this one's one of those cute little ones. Like, it doesn't do a whole lot, but whenever you're on a file, it just shows the full path in the status bar. It's, sometimes at the top you might have it set up.
Of the window?
That's actually at the bottom. So the status bar at the bottom. Some of the other plugins we have will have like the relative path at the top, and you can click into different things.
Yeah, normally I have to hover over the tab to get the full path. I want that all the time. Give me this now. How do I install this?
Yep. So if you go to the marketplace, there's a link that we'll be sharing in the show notes. But basically, yeah, it's a simple little thing, and that's all it does. It doesn't have to be too fancy. You have a couple of different settings in it, but basically that's it. And there's a whole bunch of little things like that make VS Code, user friendly and developer friendly, and and if you like it, add it. If you don't, get rid of it. That's what I like about these extensions. That was our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. Brought to you by Modernize or Die podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.